How to deactivate your Facebook account. Go ahead and open up your Facebook application. Once the menu opens, select the settings icon in the top right of the menu. From here, select See More in Account Center. From Account Center, you want to navigate to the Personal Details tab under Account Settings. In Personal Details, select the last option, that is Account Ownership and Control. Then all you need to do is select the deactivation or deletion option. Now select the account you want to deactivate. Select the first option, that is Deactivate Account, select Continue. Enter your password, click on Continue. Over here, Facebook asks you what the reason is. You can pretty much choose any option. I'll just go for the first one. And select Continue again. And boom, you've successfully deactivated your Facebook account. If this video helps you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when we upload next. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.